Today we're going to talk about something that we wanted for a long time, which is separating layers in an image. Here's how to do it using Canva.
Go to Create, or you can see Magic Layers option in the home. Click Magic Layers. Upload your image here. Wait for a little time. Voila! Here's the image with separated layers.